wake up, the sun says hi. Open your eyes, reach for the sky. It's a special day, so bright and new. So many fun things we're gonna do. Wash, wash, wash your hands, nice and clean, just like we planned. Now it's time to eat our food. Clean hands help us feel so good. Crunch and munch, breakfast time. Milk and fruit are so divine. Healthy food gives us the power to play and smile for every hour. Brush, brush, brush your teeth, up and down and underneath. Shiny smiles, fresh and bright, ready for a day of delight. Pack our toys and teddy too, swimsuits bright of red and blue. Floaters, towels, hats so wide, sunscreen too to go outside. Zip the bag, we're all prepared. Everything we need is there. In the car, buckle tight, safety first, we're doing right. Wheels go round, vroom, vroom, vroom. Off we go to Beachy Bloom. Look outside, see the trees, houses, birds, and busy bees. What a fun and happy ride, with our family by our side. Here we are, the beach is near, sand and sea are bright and clear. Big blue waves and golden sand, fun and joy on every land. Build a castle tall and strong, run and laugh and sing a song. Splash in water, float and swim, kick your feet and jump right in. Fly a kite up in the sky, catch a ball as it goes by. So much fun from head to toe, learning as we play and grow. The sun is low, the sky turns red, time to rest our busy head. Wave goodbye to sea and sand, what a lovely day we planned. Back we go, nice and slow, home is where we're headed now. Tired smiles and sleepy eyes, thinking of our beachy skies. Home again, safe and sound, happy memories all around. We were clean, we played, we shared. That's why our day was so well prepared.